Hi, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. As you all know, there are much dangerous condition in Pakistan these days due to political instability. So I will ask AI why this instability comes? And who is the behind all this? Let's start. Corruption is a major problem in Pakistan. It is estimated that corruption costs the country billions of dollars each year. The most corrupt people in Pakistan are those who hold positions of power, such as politicians, government officials, and business leaders. These people use their power to enrich themselves at the expense of the public. They do this by awarding contracts to their friends and family, accepting bribes, and engaging in other forms of corrupt activity. There are a number of reasons why corruption is so rampant in Pakistan. One reason is that the country has a weak legal system. The laws that are in place are often not enforced, and those who are caught breaking the law are often not punished. This creates an environment where corruption can thrive. Another reason for corruption in Pakistan is poverty. Many people in Pakistan are struggling to make ends meet, and they are often willing to do whatever it takes to get ahead, even if it means breaking the law. This creates a demand for corrupt services, which in turn provides an incentive for corrupt officials to provide them. Corruption has a number of negative consequences for Pakistan. It undermines the rule of law, it diverts resources away from important development projects, and it creates an environment where crime and violence can flourish. Corruption also makes it difficult for businesses to operate in Pakistan, which in turn as an AI language model, I don't have access to real-time information or the ability to provide up-to-date details on specific individuals involved in corruption in Pakistan. My training only goes up until September 2021, and I do not possess personal opinions or biases. Both answers were not to the point. Let's ask another one. Nawaz Sharif and Imran Khan are both accused of corruption, but it is difficult to say definitively who is more corrupt. Both men have been accused of accepting bribes, awarding contracts to their friends and family, and using their power for personal gain. Nawaz Sharif has been in politics for over 30 years and has served as Prime Minister of Pakistan 3 times. He has been accused of corruption on numerous occasions, and in 2017, he was disqualified from holding public office by the Supreme Court of Pakistan on charges of corruption. Imran Khan is a former cricketer who entered politics in 1996. He founded the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party in 1996, and he became Prime Minister of Pakistan in 2018. Khan has also been accused of corruption, and in 2022, the National Accountability Bureau (NAB) filed a corruption case against him. It is important to note that both men have denied any wrongdoing. Nawaz Sharif has said that he is the victim of a political witch hunt, and Imran Khan has said that the NAB case against him is politically motivated. Ultimately, it is up to the courts to decide whether or not either man is guilty of corruption. However, the fact that both men have been accused of corruption raises serious questions about their integrity and their fitness to hold public office. The term establishment in Pakistan refers to the Deep State Cooperative Federation of the Pakistan Armed Forces. The Pakistani intelligence community and other pro-military government officials and civilians. Responsible for various military coups, the military-dominated establishment has directly ruled Pakistan for nearly half of its existence since its creation in 1947. While frequently exerting covert dominance over the political leadership during the remainder. The members of the establishment are not publicly known, but they are believed to include the following: the Chief of Army Staff, COAS, the Director General of Inter-Services Intelligence, ISI, the Chief of Naval Staff, CNS, the Chief of Air Staff, CA, the Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, CJCSC, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, the President of Pakistan, the Cabinet Ministers of Pakistan, the Chief Justice of Pakistan, the Attorney General of Pakistan, the heads of the intelligence agencies, the heads of the provincial governments, the heads of the major political parties. The term establishment in the context of Pakistan is often used to refer to the influential groups and institutions that hold significant power and influence in the country. These can include various entities such as the military, intelligence agencies, bureaucracy, judiciary, and influential business groups. It's important to note that the composition and influence of the establishment can change over time, and the specific individuals involved may vary. Since I don't have access to real-time information or the ability to provide an exhaustive list, I can mention some key institutions that are typically associated with the Pakistani establishment. Pakistan Army. The military has played a significant role in Pakistan's history and politics. It holds influence through its involvement in national security, defense, and governance. Inter-Services Intelligence, ISI. Pakistan's primary intelligence agency, the ISI, is responsible for gathering and analyzing intelligence information and is known for its role in national security matters. Civil bureaucracy. The civil bureaucracy consists of various government departments and agencies responsible for policy formulation, implementation, and administration. On the other hand, like any institution, the Pakistan Army has faced criticism and scrutiny as well. Concerns have been raised about the military's involvement in politics, its influence over civilian governance, and its impact on human rights. It is important to note that perceptions of the Pakistan Army can vary depending on one's political beliefs, personal experiences, and the particular context under consideration. The Pakistan Army is a powerful institution that has played a significant role in the history of Pakistan. It has been involved in a number of wars, including the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947, the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, and the Soviet-Afghan War. The Army has also been involved in a number of domestic conflicts, including the Balochistan insurgency and the Waziristan insurgency. The Pakistan Army has been praised for its role in defending Pakistan against external threats. However, it has also been criticized for its role in domestic conflicts and for its alleged involvement in human rights abuses. Whether or not the Pakistan Army is doing good work is a matter of opinion. There is no doubt that the Army has played a significant role in the history of Pakistan. However, it is also clear that the Army has been involved in a number of controversial activities.
Subscribe now.